Hi guys, and welcome back to a brand new video with Reece Jets. Today we have an Atlantic Airways A320 Faroe Islands. Yeah, it's a really nice model. I think this is a new release. I think it just came out not long back. Because they did used to have an A320-200 model. This is an Airbus A320neo model. I do like this model a lot. I've already opened it and it is very nice. This aircraft and airline actually flies over my house quite often. When it goes from like Alicante to Vega, which is in the Faroe Islands. Yeah, it's quite a frequent flight. And it flies over my house quite often. Which is the reason why I bought the model. Yeah, it is really nice. It's made by PPC Holland. Some specifications on the aircraft, the Atlantic Airways logo, and that is about it on the box. So let's get dived in and see what the model is all about. So as you can see, the model is really nice. It is highly detailed. It's a very nice livery. I never used to actually like the livery of Atlantic Airways. It's grown on me. I do think it's really nice now. It's got nice wings, as you can see, nice detail on the wings. The winglets are also very nice. The engine detail is like fantastic. I really like that a lot. I think it's very detailed. The cockpit windows are spot on. They are amazing, as you can see. It is just a really nice model. And it's got an APU on the back, which is always good to see. It's got a registration. It's got a nice tail. The Faroe Islands logo. And the stand says Atlantic Airways Airbus A320 Neo. It is stunning. Absolutely stunning. I really like this model. It's just come today in the post. I'm so impressed with it. It's really nice. It's lived up to expectations. I wasn't expecting it to be as nice as the model itself that's come. But yeah. It is just stunning. I really like it a lot.